Have you ever wondered if you are making the most of your health benefits? Foot orthotics could be the key to better mobility and comfort. If you are dealing with foot pain, heel pain, knee discomfort, or even lower back pain, custom foot orthotics might be the solution you are missing. But have you used your benefits for foot orthotics? Many extended health plans and insurance cover the cost of custom orthotics, and using these benefits can be significantly improve your day-to-day comfort. Foot orthotics are designed to provide proper support, reduce pain, and help correct foot alignment. Whether you are struggling with plantar fasciitis, heel pain, knee issues, or even hip discomfort, custom orthotics offer the support your body needs. They are designed specifically for your feet, helping you stand longer, walk further, and live pain-free. At Turning Point Physiotherapy, we use advanced technology like FootMax system to create precise, personalized orthotics. With benefits already covered by your insurance plans, there is no reason to wait. So, have you used the benefits available to you? Now is the time to take advantage and improve your mobility, reduce pain, and stay active. Visit Turning Point Physiotherapy in Edmonton today and find out how custom foot orthotics can help you to get back on your feet using the benefits you're already entitled to.